One of the persons who works in the hospital brought his wife to meet us, and the wife young, maybe 20, I don't know, in her 20s. And then he said, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Doctora, her sister, all her family died. And I was like, you can see, like your face is mine. And they were talking to us. He said, yeah, they were all getting ready for iftar. She said, oh, I forgot something. I don't remember what was it. I'm going to go and get it. The children followed her. She looked at the children and says, no, no, go back, stay with daddy and his parents. I'm going to come back. She come back. Everybody was dead. And when the sister, of course she was crying. I mean, we're human. But when they were telling the story, if it is me, I cannot even say the story. And this is like 3-4 days ago. It's not like 6 months ago. The word comes up at her, martyr, martyr, shuhada, inda Allah. This is what you hear. It's like the natural. Literally, you see the Quran in action.